Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Suzuki GSX 8R. Suzuki has taken the sport motorcycle segment by storm with the introduction of the highly anticipated 2025 GSX 8R. This new model is set to redefine performance, style, and technology in the middleweight category, offering a thrilling riding experience for enthusiasts and competitive racers alike. At the core of the 2025 Suzuki GSX 8R is an all-new 800 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, designed to deliver an impressive 135 horsepower and 85 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is engineered to provide exceptional acceleration and top-end speed, while maintaining a smooth and linear power delivery. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission featuring a quickshifter for seamless gear changes, the GSX 8R promises an exhilarating ride on both the track and the road. The 2025 GSX 8R is a testament to Suzuki's dedication to innovation and performance, said Toshihiro Suzuki, president of Suzuki Motor Corporation. We've combined advanced engineering with cutting-edge technology to create a motorcycle that excels in every aspect, from power and agility to style and comfort. The GSX 8R's design is a striking blend of aggressive aerodynamics and modern aesthetics. The bike features sharp lines, a sculpted fuel tank, and a sleek, compact fairing that not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves its aerodynamic efficiency. The full LED lighting system, including distinctive twin headlights and a minimalist taillight, ensures high visibility and adds to the bike's futuristic look. Rider ergonomics have been a focal point in the design of the GSX 8R. The motorcycle offers a sporty yet comfortable riding position, with adjustable foot pegs and handlebars to accommodate different riding styles and preferences. The lightweight aluminum frame and advanced suspension system, comprising fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, provide excellent handling and stability, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance in various riding conditions. The 2025 GSX 8R is packed with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. A state-of-the-art TFT display offers clear and comprehensive information, including speed, gear position, lap times, and navigation prompts. The bike also features multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS, allowing riders to customize the performance characteristics to their liking and ensuring optimal safety and control. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have praised the GSX 8R for its blend of power, precision, and advanced features. The 2025 Suzuki GSX 8R sets a new standard in the middleweight sport motorcycle category, commented renowned motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its potent engine, cutting-edge technology, and sleek design make it a standout choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers seeking top-tier performance. With its combination of aggressive styling, powerful performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Suzuki GSX 8R is poised to make a significant impact in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the next evolution of Suzuki's legendary GSX-R lineup. This new model is set to capture the hearts of riders around the world, reaffirming Suzuki's position as a leader in the sport motorcycle industry.